It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. External memory control, dual zone climate control, memory steering wheel settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto dimming rear view mirror, and memory exterior door mirror settings. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,